They went there, so we came here. Why, sure, Uranus is a planet, right? But what does that have to do with poker and liquor? Johnson is a cat, and he lives in Uranus. Johnson apparently loves to be stroked and petted, and everybody loves Johnson in Uranus. There he is, there's Johnson. Watch, watch, watch. Johnson does tricks. Watch this, watch this. Stay. I bet Rob Riggle loves this place. That's for you fans of the fluff. Well, friends, that was fun. Fun in Uranus, I guess. Well, we only scratched the surface of Uranus, but we just didn't have enough time to just get all in there of Uranus. There's a sideshow museum. There's a jail in Uranus, so you can get locked up in Uranus. Heck, there's fudge packing in Uranus, so you can get your fudge packed in Uranus. There's even a playground in Uranus. So my friends, get on out to Uranus next time you're in Missouri. If you're on Route 66, make sure this is a stop for you. Have a great day, all. Not gonna lie, but I think there's some sort of weird joke going around here. Like, is there some sort of pun that I'm missing? Like, maybe there's a naughty pun here that everybody's getting, because I just don't get it.